LeapFrog Academy Review. Pricing. Explain what you get for your money. LeapFrog Academy isn't just an educational app. You won't believe how engaging it makes learning for kids aged 3 to 8. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's only a basic reading or math tool, but the surprising truth is it offers a full curriculum across subjects designed to adapt to each child's skill level. Pricing starts at $99 per month for access to core lessons and activities. The annual plan costs $99, providing a slight discount while unlocking progress tracking, additional games, and personalized lesson plans. Most parents overlook the value of interactive exercises that teach problem solving, phonics, and critical thinking through fun, game-like scenarios. LeapFrog Academy also tracks learning progress in real time, giving parents insights into strengths and areas needing improvement. You won't believe how much this helps reinforce concepts outside the app, creating a consistent learning environment at home. In conclusion, LeapFrog Academy's pricing is reasonable given the breadth of curriculum, adaptive learning technology, and engaging interactive content. For families seeking an educational platform that combines fun with skill building, it offers strong value that can supplement preschool or early elementary education effectively.